Welcome to a 4031 video. 4031 is an LLC owned by Chris and Julianna Craft. We invest in real estate properties, and this is our olive branch flip. Chris and I have learned that when you go into a flip house, you never know exactly what you're going to find, but there will be broken things and lots of dirt. We are blessed that we get to clean those houses out and choose beautiful new materials to go into that space. We're able to think about the family that is going to be living in that environment, try to put things in that will add value to their life, add beauty to their life, and this is what we get. You knew you were not going to bring a big toy like this and Ronnie not play with it. You are a hard worker, Chris Craft. I thought you were crazy dragging that water-laden barrel up and down the hill, but what you and Ronnie did for that backyard produced this. We ended up with a beautiful house. 4031 LLC, thank you for watching.